Shay. Please excuse me if your girl is looking a little rough, because literally, I've been getting up at 4 o'clock to go to the gym, you guys, like for the last month. And I sometimes will go home and then like shower and stuff and then redress. But today I was just like, no, we do not. It's Friday, and just like gets out of school early, so it's like I don't have a lot of time, and so I want to just get it done. And so please excuse me if your girl's looking a little rough. But guess what? I'm making gains. You can't see them, but I'm making gains. And so I don't know why I'm so amped. Well, I'm drinking coffee. And it's so freaking good. Oh my gosh, coffee is life every day. And so this is my Walmart weekend haul for you guys. Ibotta, they said, girl, guess what? You're off punishment. Ah! So they put me in the front of the class. I'm not sitting next to the teacher. I'm not like teacher's pet, but I'm sitting in the front. Now, I'm not in the front, but I'm like in the second row. All right, so I only need 8 rebates for $3, which 5 would have been nice, but I'm okay with this. I could do this. And then for the rewarding resolutions, I still need like 14. So today, our goal is to knock out the 14 rebates, get back $13. Hopefully, I can do it today. I have a nice little list. Now, of course, there'll be a Google Doc. You guys, if y'all don't see a Google Doc, and it's a, you know, regular length video, it's not like a real quickie, just remind me in the comments, because I think it was 2 videos ago, I totally forgot to add the Google Doc, and I didn't realize it until I was preparing for another video, and I saw that it was no shares on it. So there will be a Google Doc if you want to follow along that way. You guys, they're building a Sprouts right here. I'm so excited, because I see a lot of deals at Sprouts, and I can't do them because we don't have a Sprouts up here in the high desert. So I'm so stoked that we're getting the Sprouts. Other than that, if you're new here, yes, I know some of you guys are new. I just know it. If you're new, definitely subscribe. Also, make sure you smash the like button and support your girl. And don't forget to make sure your post notifications are on so you never ever miss out on a video. And so, with that being said, you guys, we're gonna head over to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab. If you want to see what your girl got, definitely keep on watching.
Alright guys, so this first deal is on the Bush Zero Sugar Added Beans. This is the, what is it, 15-ounce can. It's priced at $2.14. Getting back $1.24 on Ibotta will make that only $8. You can also grab this one down here. It's the larger can, priced at $2.48. Getting back the $1.24 would make that $1.24. So I'm gonna go ahead and just grab that one. Okay, so I'm gonna try to knock out these Taco Bell deals real quick while there's nobody over here. The first one is on the Taco Bell queso. It's on the dip. It's priced at $2.98. So for this, you want to grab 2, you'll pay $5.96. Getting back $1 on Ibotta. There's also 88 cents for each on checkout 51, and then $2.50 on Swagbucks, making them only 35 cents each. Okay, next up is the Taco Bell seasonings. They're priced at 82 cents. You're gonna grab 2 of them. You'll pay $1.64. Getting back 20 cents on Ibotta, 75 cents on Swagbucks, and it's gonna make them 34 cents each. Next up is the Taco Bell sauces. They are priced at $1.98. For this, you're grabbing 2 of them. You're gonna end up paying $3.96, getting back $1 on Ibotta, 50 cents for each on checkout 51, $1.50 on Swagbucks, making them only 23 cents each. All right, last but not least, is going to be on the shells. They're priced at $2.52. For this, you're grabbing 2 of them. You'll pay $5.04, getting back $1 on Ibotta, $2 on Swagbucks, making them $1.02 each. Okay, so let's put these deals into perspective. Okay, so everything you see here, it retails $16.60 out of pocket, but you're going to get back $12.71 in rebates. It makes all of this only $3.89, or 48 cents each. So definitely it's not a bad deal. So next up is the Gerber. Now I have the Gerber's reward. $5 from forever ago when we did this the last time on Ibotta, and I've been getting the $5 coupon every month, so I have 3 of them, and so I'm gonna do this deal. I'm gonna grab 5 of these, priced at $1.13. I'll pay $5.65. I'll scan the $5 off Gerber reward coupon at checkout. I'll pay 65 cents and get back $1.50 on Ibotta. So it'll make all free plus an 85-cent money maker. So next up is the Ajax. Now I did this deal in my last video for Ibotta. I have it on for Walmart Cash as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it again. It's priced at $2.74. You're grabbing one of them, getting back $1 on Walmart Cash, $1 on Alexa, and $1 on Swagbucks, making that a 32-cent moneymaker. Also doing the Palmolive again, price at $2.82, getting back $1 for Walmart Cash, $1 on Alexa, and $1 on Swagbucks, making that an 8-cent moneymaker. Deals on the Airwick Advanced. These are priced at $3.98. This popped up when I bought it, getting back $4. I barely submitted my receipt yesterday and got that back. One of you guys hit me up in the comments to ask me if mine's reset, and I checked and it did. I was like, oh my god. I literally had just submitted that receipt that morning, so we're gonna grab this deal again. I also have it for Walmart Cash as well, so I'll be grabbing 2 of them on separate transactions, $3.98 each, getting back 4, making them a 2-cent moneymaker. Okay, so next up is the Suavitel. Is the Shed Shield. I'm gonna grab one of them, getting back $1.50 on for Walmart Cash and $1.50 on Alexa, $1.50 on Swagbucks, and then there's 210 kicks on Shopkick, which is 84 cents, bringing it down to only 13 cents. I did see this peely right here, but I'll probably grab it maybe for next time, but I'm not gonna use it today though, because I already have the apps to use. And so, yeah, definitely is not a bad deal. All right, so this next deal is going to be on the Clean and Clear. The cheaper ones I can find are on the toners. Well, this toner here and the cleanser. We're going to grab the toner priced at $5.67, getting back $2.50 on Ibotta, $2.50 on Shopmium, and $2.50 on Swagbucks, making that $1.83. So this next deal is on the Olay. I was super stoked to see the rebate for this on Ibotta went up to $8 plus a $3 bonus, because this is the second time I got it. And so we're gonna grab the Olay, priced at $11.94. There's this one, and then there's this one. This one, I don't think this one scanned for me. I don't think this one scanned for me. So I got this one right here, priced at $11.94, getting back a total of $11 from Ibotta, and then there's 600 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2.40, making this a $1.46 moneymaker. Okay, guys, so I'm doing this deal again on the soft soap. They have this one right here at $4.44. And then they have this one down here for Irish Spring. It's like in the corner. Only reason I can get in here is because I know there's no cashier back here, for $4.22. I grabbed this one. And so you're going to grab that one at $4.22. You're going to get back $2 for Walmart Cash, $2 on Alexa, and $2 on Swagbucks. So it makes it a $1.78 moneymaker. And then the soft soap right here at $4.44. Getting back 2 for Walmart Cash, 2 on Alexa, 2 on Swagbucks, makes it a $1.56 money. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the Dove body scrub again, priced at $7.32. This one did reset for me on Ibotta, getting back $2 there, $3 on Swagbucks, and $3 on Alexa, making that a 68-cent moneymaker. While I'm over here, I'm also gonna grab the Dove body wash as well, which is priced at $6.97. Getting back $3 on Shopmium, $3 on Swagbucks, and 485 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.94, making that a 97-cent moneymaker. So this next deal is going to be on the Dove shampoo conditioner. They have a smaller 12-ounce bottles priced at $3.98. You want to grab one of them, getting back $2 on Ibotta. There's also 485 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.94, making it only 4 cents. So this next deal is on the Axe deodorant, priced at $5.22. You're gonna grab one of them. Actually, no, I take that back. You're gonna grab 2. You'll pay $10.44, getting back $4 on Ibotta, $4 on Shopmium, and $4 on Swagbucks, making it a $1.56 moneymaker. Now they also have the body washes for the same price, and so for that one, you're gonna get back same thing, $4 on Ibotta, For that one, I'm going to do Alexa and inbox dollars, making that $1.56 moneymaker as well. So next up is going to be on the Colgate. I've seen a few of you guys finding the Batman one on clearance, and I finally found it for $3.50. So you're going to grab one of them. I'm getting back $2 for Walmart cash, $2 on Alexa, and $2 on Swagbucks, making that a $2.50 moneymaker. Alright, so next up, I'm going to go ahead and grab, there's this couple, it's so funny. They're both on the little bitty, you know, cards, the little motorized cards. They're like going in circles looking for each other. That's all that beeping, right? It's cute though. But listen, I'm going to grab the Colgate Max Fresh. It's priced at $3.12. And there's an offer when I bought it for $2. It popped back up on me this morning. And then $2 back on inbox dollars. So it would make that an 88-cent moneymaker. Alright guys, so here is our complete haul for today. But really quick, before I forget, I need to give my first official shout out to some of you guys. Let me give a shout out to Ben and Nicole Garcia. Thank you guys so much for watching. My first official shout out. So I had to say that because I didn't want to forget. But this haul worked out really good. The only digital coupon that I had, was for the Gerber. And that coupon worked perfectly, you guys. It's through the Gerber Rewards. You just go on and you sign up. And then you get a $5 coupon every month. And the one that I used today, it expires on the 21st. So I was happy that I was able to use it. Now I'm hoping that that rebate resets on Ibotta 2 more times so I can use the other 2. And then once I get all 15 jars, then I'll go ahead and donate those to the shelter, which is awesome. The Dove body wash, it wasn't on there anymore when I submitted my receipt, so I put a ticket in. With the Dove shampoo, I was supposed to get $4.75. They only gave me $3.50, so I put a ticket in for that too. So they owe me 600 points or 600 kicks. With the Colgate, I actually have an offer for $2 on Alexa that I didn't even realize that was still there. So I got back an extra $2, so make that like a $2.88 moneymaker. Other than that, everything else worked out really good. I got back all my Walmart cash this time. I didn't have any issues at all. So everything you see here retails $119.90. We only had that $5 digital. It brought the total down to $114.90. And then we walk away with $54.44 from Ibotta. We got back $27.75 from Swagbucks, $21.50 from Alexa. Walmart cash was $14. Shopkick should be $7. ShopMeum was $6.50. My points was $4.27. And Checkout 51 was $2.76. So we walk away with a total of $138.22 back in rebates. It makes everything you see here free plus a $23.32 moneymaker, which is amazing. Now my tax was $8.54. So even after tax, we almost clear $15, which is really, really awesome. Other than that, what else did I want to add? Oh, really quick, the question at the last video. A lot of you guys said keep the screenshots. And I figured you guys would because I'm a visual person too. And that's kind of why I kind of do what I like seeing, you know? And so, yeah. So I will continue to include the screenshots for you guys. Majority of you guys said to include them still. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. Josiah, what's your emoji bug? Mr. Josiah? A tree? And what else? An apple. An apple tree. An apple and a tree in the comments if you got to the end of the video. Again, thank you guys so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.